a time to honor deities as well as ancestors. It is also a time to feast and visit family members. The celebration traditionally lasts for about 2 weeks in total.
Chinese New Year has a history of over 3,000 years and is associated with several myths. A popular legend tells of the mystical beast, Nian, who shows up in every Lunar New Year's Eve to eat livestock, crops, and even people on the eve of the New Year.
It's said that the wise woman figured out that Nian was scared of firecrackers and fireworks and the color red. People put red candles and red sticks on their windows and doors to stop Nian from coming inside and to scare Nian away. Other than that, the traditions of crackling bat, which was later replaced by firecrackers, and red clothes found in many lion man's prayers to intimidate the Nian.
The main Chinese New Year activities include putting up decorations, enjoying a family reunion dinner on Lunar New Year's Eve, exchanging red envelopes and other gifts, setting off firecrackers and fireworks, watching lion and dragon dances.
People give their houses a thorough cleaning before the Spring Festival, which symbolizes sweeping away bad luck of the preceding year and making their homes ready to receive good luck. Chinese do most of the decoration for Chinese New Year on New Year's Eve, although some people begin to decorate their houses around 10 days before.
Almost all decorations involve the color red and a theme that symbolizes good fortune.
It is customary for people in northern and central China to place red paper cuttings on doors and windows. In addition, red lanterns are hung on doors to ward against evil spirits and bad luck. Red scrolls, which are brushworks of Chinese calligraphy in black ink on red paper, are pasted on doors. On the scrolls, good wishes or statements are expressed.
Chinese New Year, also known as Lunar New Year, is a time for families to be together. Chinese New Year's Eve is the most important time. Wherever they are, people are expected to be home to celebrate the festival with their families.
The Chinese New Year's Eve dinner is called reunion dinner. Big families of several generations sit around round tables and enjoy their food and time together.
Chinese word for Mandarin sounds similar to the word for gold. So having Mandarin oranges around the home at New Year is said to bring riches into your life. If you visit a home during New Year, you frequently find oranges used as decoration since they also symbolize good fortune.
Isa, known as the prosperity toss, is actually a combination of the Chinese words yi, which means fish, and san, which means liveliness. The traditional prosperity toss is a strawberry salad. It is a Chinese New Year's dish for signifying good fortune.
Which is a lucky color during Chinese New Year. It is not advised to wear black or white clothes. These colors are associated with neither mourning traditionally.
The most common gifts are red envelopes known as the angpao. Those who receive a red envelope are wished another safe and peaceful year. Red envelopes have money in and are often given to children and retired seniors. The amount of money ranges from a couple of dollars to several hundred. Chinese superstition favor amounts that begin with even numbers, such as 8, a homophobic mouth, and 6, a homophobic feet. However, the number 4 should not appear in any way as it rhymes with the word that means death.
So public displays in major cities, millions of private celebrations in China's rural areas. Setting off firecrackers and fireworks is an indispensable festive activity. And it's also a way to scare the evil and welcome the New Year's arrival.
The Chinese use fireworks to celebrate the most important events in life. Throughout the night, people will set off red fireworks, signifying happiness, wealth, and prosperity, and send red lanterns floating into the sky.
The dragon dances are widely seen in China and Chinatowns in many Western countries. They are performed to bring prosperity and good luck for the upcoming year or even